Welcome to HANA Cloud Integration. This video will help you understand the setup required before you can create tasks in SAP HANA Cloud Integration. At a high level, to establish connectivity, you need to download and install the agent, configure the agent, create data stores, and import objects into your data stores. The agent is installed in your on-premise landscape and provides connectivity with the on-premise sources. SAP HANA Cloud Integration provides seamless and secure integration between on-premise sources, both SAP and non-SAP, and SAP Cloud applications. The agent serves two roles. At design time, the agent provides metadata browsing functionality for your on-premise sources. At runtime, the agent manages the secure data transfer between your on-premise sources or targets and the cloud. In short, the agent enables you to move data between your on-premise systems and the cloud without requiring you to open your firewall to inbound traffic or configure a VPN. Now let's go to the first step: download and install agent. Before installing the agent, review the product availability matrix to make sure your system meets the minimum hardware and platform requirements. You can find this document at service.sap.com/PAM. First, from the HANA Cloud Integration Web UI, download and extract the agent package for your operating system. The agent installation program requires minimal interaction and should take less than 5 minutes to complete. To start the installation program, you will need to provide the installation path and the operating system user that should run the agent. For detailed installation instructions, refer to the agent guide available at help.sap.com/cloudintegration. Now that the agent installation is complete, you can configure the agent. Configuring the agent links it to your HANA Cloud Integration organization. You can choose to configure the agent immediately after installation or by running the agent configuration program at a later time. To configure the agent, you will need to provide HANA Cloud Integration username and password and proxy configuration details. Start by creating a new instance in the Agents tab of the Web UI and downloading its configuration file, and then continue in the agent configuration program. During configuration, certificates are exchanged between the agent and the server, enabling encryption for all future communications. Now, after installing and configuring the agent, you can create data stores. A data store represents a connection configuration between the software and a database or application, and may be direct or through an adapter or extractor. The data store configuration allows HANA Cloud Integration to access metadata from and to read data from or write data to the database or application when it executes a task. Data stores can be used as both sources and targets, and the options available depend on the type of the data store. Finally, after creating data stores, import object metadata into your data stores. When you import an object into the data store, metadata such as the database table and column names are added to the data store configuration. This information can later be used to map sources and targets in a task. Note that only the object's metadata is imported, not any actual data contained in the object. After you have imported objects into your data stores, you can start creating integration tasks in HANA Cloud Integration. To access the full library of SAP HANA Cloud Integration documentation and video tutorials, visit help.sap.com/cloudintegration.